So today I got in the mail a package from Anheuser-Busch, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So a couple of weeks ago I just got an email notifying me that I won a contest to be endorsed by Michelob Ultra and join their Team Ultra team. So this is one of 2 boxes that should be coming in the mail. Let's see what goodies that we have today. Pick that up. Nice nifty box. So that's the packaging. Ultra paper. Oh. I got a beanie. Really good in the sun, so this will be used a ton in the winter and fall for sure. And this nice tea. Nice. So this, I got an email from them to update my address on Monday. So this came really fast. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's a Nike shirt. So this is really good for running. Nice, and then this is the last thing that came in the mail. Thanks, Michelob Ultra. This one especially right now, needed a new running shirt. This is great. I'm looking forward to hit the trail some more, especially with this new Team Ultra gear.